Number 3. SUPRENT Beard Trimmer. The charging dock design for this trimmer will keep you ready to go all the time. It has been equipped with 420 stainless blades which do not get overheated. You can, therefore, rely on this trimmer for the safety of your skin. Being made in a waterproof design, you can expect that the trimmer will be easy to clean. Its 4 hair clippers offered in the package will guarantee that you get your desired trim. Again, it comes from one of the best brands in the market. This will, therefore, give you enough confidence to purchase. The support team will always be ready to help you in case you need any help. Number 2. RUNWE hair trimmers. This is a 16-piece kit which includes accessories such as scissors, combs among a charger adapter so that you can have a perfect trimming experience. The sharp ceramic blade will guarantee that it remains sharp regardless of the hair size. Additionally, this trimmer has been proven to be easy to clean and maintain in general. You will also appreciate the fact that this trimmer comes with a 2000 mAh battery which is good power retention. The approximated time it retains charge is 240 minutes. The good thing about the trimmer is that it only takes 3 hours to get charged to completion. What's more, the support team is very friendly. Number 1. RUNWE electric hair clippers. Finally on this review is the RUNWE beard trimmer, which features some titanium blades to give you a fast as well as smooth chipping. Additionally, it has a quiet operation which is advantageous in so many ways. For one, it will not scare away the kids during its operation. The manufacturer also provides a fast charging station so that you can enjoy a continuous operation. Another feature which you will enjoy from the trimmer is the fact that the length can be easily adjusted. You can, therefore, rely on this trimmer for all types and lengths of hair. If you want to buy this product, check link in the description box.